D9, this is the tutorial for walking out a D9 unity stroll, and it goes like this. You're going to go to your left and then to your right like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, good. The next move after this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna rock 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So the rock again. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. That whole 8 count on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rewind that as much as you need. The second 8 count, you're going to go to your left again and then go to your right. Put your move like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a slight hop on this leg. I'm going to take it to another one, slow it down. So for those of you that might get mixed up on that, it's with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. But you got to hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, try that with me. Going to the left. Ready on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to combine both of those 8 counts. So when you combine both of those 8 counts, you're going to go on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's an 8 count and a half. Ready? Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after you hit 1, 2, 3, 4, you finish that 8 count like this. Take your left leg. 5, 6, 7, 8. So that whole 8 count will look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's do that whole 8 count. Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, that whole 8 count again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, good job. We're going to take that 2 8 counts all the way from the top on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, repeat that as much as you need. All right, D9. The third 8 count is probably the trickiest one, so we're going to take the most time with this third 8 count. It's going to start on your left leg again, and it'll look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, right. And then the other half of that 8 count is the same thing repeated, but on this other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your legs up. Right, left, right, left. All right, I'm going to turn this way, and we'll do that whole 8 count on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You should be back around and out the side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, this time we're going to do it with saying left, right, right, left. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you know what we're going to do. We're going to take it from the very top. On 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, practice that as much as you need to. Rewind it as many times as you need. This is the last 8 count. The last 8 count is walking it out. So it's the walk it out dance. I really am not good at that, but y'all do your own swag. You're gonna go forward and then back on the first 4 counts. So it'll go like this, but you're gonna be on the right leg instead of the left like you were before. So on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it back. Okay, I'm gonna turn around this way. On the right, on 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it out, okay? All right, so we're gonna add on to finish it. We went forward and then back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So on 5, 6, 7, 8, you are throwing up your sign. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever you do, you throw up your sign, okay? All right, so that whole 8 count. On 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Get your own sweat. On the last one, this whole thing start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're gonna do is put it together, all of it together from the 10, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, and then you practice on your own. On 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, practice as much as you need to.